Okay, this is my Glock 23 40s+w. It is one of my favorite guns. I probably say that often. Most of the guns are my favorite guns, but this one truly is. It's at the top of the heap. Check it, make sure it's empty. It's, always do that for safety. 13 rounds plus one. Your standard Glock rear, white square and dot in the front. Just a well-made handgun. It fits well, left-handed, right-handed. It is an iconic firearm. The Glock is probably one of the top selling, handguns. Anywhere you can go, you can get accessories and parts for a Glock, and it's reliability. When you pick it up, it's gonna fire. It's treads that line between concealability, weight, firepower. It grades out towards the top on all of these things. Maybe the only thing is if you have a smaller hand, you may not fit as good on a Glock. If you have a real small hand, that's where the car single stack comes in. But other than that, this to me is the pinnacle of firearms. The simplicity, the reliability. It stands right at the top of the pyramid for me. This is what everybody else is trying to do. They've done. When you have a Glock, you don't have to worry. It just works. It's accurate. It is well made. It is affordable for the quality. Glocks are less expensive than SIGs. They're lighter. They carry the equivalent. The HK. This is a little bit lighter than HK. A little bit smaller. It is. It is at the top of the pecking order to me. I think it's a gun that all other guns are compared against. To me, you don't get better than a Glock. You might find a gun that is as good as a Glock, but to me, nothing is better than a Glock. And that's the most I can say about it.